Top 5 Hooded Hair Dryer Attachment 2026. Discover the best products for your lifestyle. We've curated the top selections just for you. Number 5. Bonnet Hair Dryer, Spacious, Rapid Styling for Curls. Upgrade your styling routine with the Bonnet Hair Dryer, the Spacious, salon-quality solution for rapid curl definition. Unlike bulky hood dryers or weak handheld models, this innovative design offers ample room for all hair types, delivering even, gentle heat for faster, healthier results. Perfect for deep conditioning, setting curls, or adding volume without damage. Ideal for beauty and personal care enthusiasts seeking professional performance at home. Compare with similar items using your keyboard's up or down arrows to see why this dryer stands out. Designed for comfort and efficiency, it's a must-have in health, household, and baby care. Experience the difference: stylish, bouncy curls in less time, every time. Number 4. Revlon RV544 Hands-Free Hooded Hair Dryer. Experience salon-quality drying at home with the Revlon RV544 Hands-Free Hooded Hair Dryer, your perfect beauty upgrade. Unlike bulky, noisy dryers, this sleek, lightweight design offers hands-free convenience with adjustable heat and speed settings for personalized care. Ideal for deep conditioning, color treatments, or everyday styling. It fits comfortably on any chair. Compared to similar hooded dryers, the RV544 delivers even heat distribution and faster drying with minimal frizz. Whether you're in beauty and personal care or exploring health, household, and baby care, this dryer stands out for its efficiency and comfort. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to explore more. Elevate your hair routine today with Revlon's trusted innovation. Number 3. Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer Bonnet Attachment. Transform your hair routine with the Revlon One-Step Hair Dryer Bonnet Attachment, your salon-quality solution for gentle, even drying. Unlike bulky hooded dryers or uneven heat from traditional attachments, this lightweight, easy-to-use bonnet fits most handheld dryers, delivering consistent airflow for smooth, frizz-free results. Perfect for setting curls, adding volume, or gentle drying. It's a must-have in beauty and personal care. Navigate with ease. Use your keyboard's up or down arrows to explore similar items. Designed for comfort and efficiency, the Revlon Bonnet Attachment combines innovation and convenience, making professional styling accessible at home. Upgrade your styling tools today and experience the difference trusted by beauty enthusiasts everywhere. Number 2. Bonnet Hair Dryer Attachment, Purple, Large. Upgrade your hair care routine with the Bonnet Hair Dryer Attachment, Purple, Large, a must-have in beauty and personal care. Unlike bulky, hard-to-store dryers, this lightweight, universal fit attachment easily connects to most standard hair dryers, offering hands-free, salon-quality drying at home. Its spacious bonnet design ensures even heat distribution, reducing frizz and boosting shine. Perfect for deep conditioning treatments. Ideal for health, household, and baby care enthusiasts seeking gentle, effective styling. Compare with similar items and use your keyboard's up or down arrows to explore options. Durable, easy to clean, and stylish in vibrant purple, it's the smart, space-saving solution for healthier, smoother hair every day. Number 1. Brand X Hooded Hair Dryer Diffuser Cap. Transform your hair routine with the Brand X Hooded Hair Dryer Diffuser Cap, engineered for superior performance and unmatched comfort. Unlike bulky, noisy competitors, our lightweight, ergonomic design fits most standard hair dryers and delivers even, gentle airflow to reduce frizz and enhance curls. The adjustable hood ensures a secure, hands-free experience, while the heat-resistant silicone material protects delicate strands. Whether you're styling waves, curls, or straightening, Brand X offers salon-quality results at home. Easy to attach and clean, it's the perfect upgrade for your beauty toolkit. Choose smarter. Choose Brand X. For radiant, healthy-looking hair every time. Thanks for watching. Check the links in description to find these products on Amazon.